In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a header in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating on a team sheet, creating a clear and visually appealing header can make a big difference in how your data is perceived and navigated. Let's take a closer look at how to create one step by step. First, let's find the topmost row of your data. This is your starting point for creating a header that stands out. Once you've selected this topmost row, you'll want to insert a new row above it. This new row will serve as the foundation for your header. In Google Sheets, simply right-click on the row number at the left of your screen and select Insert Row Above from the drop-down menu. Now, you have a blank canvas to work with. Now that you have your dedicated space for the header, let's move on to adjusting its size. Click and drag the row boundary located just above your new row. You'll notice your cursor change to a double-headed arrow. Use this to resize the row to your liking. You may want to make it taller than the default size so your header text is prominent. Next, we'll merge the cells in this new row to create a single large cell for the header. Begin by clicking on the very first cell. Drag across to ensure all the cells in that row are highlighted, and then navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Locate the Merge Cells icon and click on it. This will combine all the selected cells into one, providing a seamless look for your header. With your new header space ready, it's time to add some style. A good place to start is by changing the background color. Again, with the merged cell highlighted, look for the Fill Color icon in the toolbar, which resembles a paint bucket. Click on it to choose a color that suits your theme or project. Selecting a distinct color can help your header catch the eye and stand apart from the rest of the data. Once you've got the color just right, let's move on to formatting the text. First, we want the text to be centered for a balanced and polished appearance. In the toolbar, locate the horizontal align icon, click it, and choose Center. Next, increase the text size to ensure it's easily readable. You can do this by selecting the font size drop-down and adjusting it according to your preference. Finally, let's add the actual text for your header. With the cell still selected, type in your desired header title, whether it's monthly budget, team roster, or whatever matches your data set. And there you have it. Your header is complete. With these easy steps, you've not only improved the organization of your Google Sheet, but also enhanced its visual appeal. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your data management a little bit brighter.